doing my Liqui Moly Engine Flush on the S6, and I got the CERA TEC also after the oil change. So I'm just waiting for my 15 minutes. Already got 5 minutes on the clock. I'm gonna go over here. Been coming here for years. I know the guy over there. Know the owner. Man, cool. You know what? It's I usually go to my other place, Crazy Joe's, to get stuff done. But you know what? This is an oil change. It's easier just to pull in, let them do what they got to do so fast. You know what I mean? It's 1, 2, 3. They give you a free car wash. Not that I ever use it, because my cars are always hand washed. But yeah, you have to sit here for 15 minutes, whatever, and it's great. I sit right out front here. They say 10 to 15, but I'll do the 15, and then afterwards, after he puts in that nice mobile one, I will have him put this bad boy in too. Or actually, before that. This way it's all mixed in nicely. Yeah, I never had tried this one before, but I did this honestly to my S4. And let me tell you something. Really big difference in the performance. Also, I've been doing the valve cleaner, like the carbon buildup on the S4 and the fuel tank, those little bottles that they have. And I gotta say, it seems like the car's got a lot of performance to it, more. I mean, it's just like an animal, considering, what it is. I have a 10-second microwave, whatever, blah, blah, blah. But I feel the difference in the speed. This car's got 94,000 miles. The S4, 88,000? There's a nice SQ5. Yeah, it's really hot. I like that color. If it has the white interior, I like it even better, but that had the ugly wheels. Anyway, yeah, so, you know what? Just trying to maintain these cars. This engine was fresh, it was clean, but I know this car was sitting for a while. I have driven it. I'm like, you know what, let me do this stuff, just get it done. Kind of wanted to wait till 95, but I'm just like, let me just get it done already. Because I like to do 5,000 miles oil changes. To be quite honest, I'll probably never get to 100,000 miles with this car for many, many years. It's just the way I am. I'll probably get rid of it before then, even though I do love the car. But my last S4 B5, I owned it 4 years, I only put 4,000 miles on it. You know what I mean? So it's not like I put a lot of miles. And again, I have so many cars, it's like you distribute the mileage all the way around. Even the other S4, it's like 88,000 miles. Who knows? I'm going to drive it this summer, of course, because it's convertible. But yeah, that's where it's at. Really cool. I got all this stuff from FCP Euro. You know what? Got nothing bad to say about them. Not like ECS Tuning. Their shipping is outstanding. So if you are looking to buy this Liqui Moly, that's the place to do it. I mean, their shipping is crazy fast. It's almost like they overnight it to you. How they do it. So, I mean, they're in Connecticut. I'm in New York, but it's just quite amazing. You Thursday night, 10 o'clock, I'm ordering stuff. I think it was there by Saturday afternoon. That's pretty freaking great, if you ask me. So there you go. Almost done with the weight, and then I'll get in there and get this fresh oil.